Trying to decide between crypto and stocks in 2025. In this video, we will break down the key differences, risks, and rewards of both to help you choose the right path for your money. Like this video and subscribe for clear investing tips that help you make smarter financial decisions in a changing market. 1. Risk levels differ greatly between crypto and stocks in long-term investing. Stocks are backed by real businesses with revenues, while most crypto assets are speculative in nature. Equity markets offer regulated environments that reduce scams, unlike unregulated crypto spaces. Investors in stocks can rely on balance sheets and earnings, while crypto often relies on future hope. Crypto can drop 50% in days, while stocks decline slowly with patterns based on fundamentals. For stability, stocks offer less emotional stress, while crypto requires strong nerves during volatility. Long-term investors often favor stocks due to historical gains and steady compounding each year. Crypto rewards high risk tolerance, while stocks reward patience and measured value-based research. 2. Crypto offers higher returns but with greater unpredictability. Bitcoin and altcoins have delivered life-changing returns, but crashes often erase gains very quickly. Stocks usually grow slower but more consistently, especially with dividend reinvestment over decades. Crypto gains can multiply portfolios fast, but require precision timing and technical understanding. In 2021, many coins soared, then fell, leaving investors with unrealized losses suddenly. Stock market growth is supported by economic expansion, while crypto lacks broader structural backing. High reward often comes with emotional and financial pressure that crypto investors must endure. If chasing fast wealth, crypto may appeal, but the risks must be managed with tight strategy and caution. 3. Stocks provide ownership, while crypto offers digital asset exposure. Stockholders gain partial ownership of real companies and receive voting rights and profit shares. Crypto holders own tokens that represent networks, not companies, with no direct claim to cash flows. Dividends from stocks provide passive income, whereas crypto must be sold or staked for earnings. Stocks come with tangible reporting obligations, while crypto is still evolving in transparency rules. This ownership structure helps investors feel connected to business growth in a real, measurable way. Crypto lacks legal rights in most cases, making ownership feel abstract and harder to quantify. If ownership matters and passive income is a goal, then stocks may be a better long-term tool. 4. Liquidity exists in both, but with different depth and efficiency. Crypto trades 24/7 globally with instant transactions and no central exchange delays. Stock markets operate in limited hours with pauses and regulated sessions for structured movement. Crypto liquidity depends on coin popularity, while stock liquidity is stronger in large-cap companies. In major stocks, buyers and sellers are always available, but crypto may dry up during market stress. Selling large amounts of crypto quickly may impact price, while stocks handle size more efficiently. Both allow entry and exit, but with different timeframes that suit various investor types today. Crypto favors fast movers, while stock liquidity supports larger, slow-moving capital strategies. 5. Regulation is stricter in stocks and still developing in crypto. Stock markets are tightly regulated, offering protections for investors and legal action if needed. Crypto remains mostly decentralized with limited regulation, causing higher risk of scams or fraud. In 2025, governments are increasing crypto oversight, but gaps still exist in many places. Regulatory clarity helps build trust and attract institutions to any asset class, including crypto. Stocks already meet compliance, while crypto continues to evolve with pressure from global lawmakers. Investors should consider how legal safety and transparency influence their capital security plans. If regulation matters deeply to you, stocks may offer peace, while crypto still builds its system. 6. Volatility in crypto is extreme, while stocks offer more predictable cycles. Crypto can gain or lose 30% in 1 week, while stocks rarely move that fast in any period. This volatility can create fast profits, but also painful losses for those without defined risk plans. Stocks move with economic news, earnings, and inflation, while crypto reacts to emotion and sentiment. Predicting crypto trends is harder due to rapid hype cycles and minimal traditional data signals. Stock market cycles allow investors to plan using history, while crypto lacks deep back-tested patterns. Volatility may appeal to traders, but can drain energy and patience from average long-term investors. If you need steadier growth, stocks reduce stress, while crypto requires quick decisions and timing. 7. Accessibility and entry requirements are easier in crypto worldwide. Crypto can be accessed with a smartphone from anywhere without needing a bank account or broker. Stocks require broker accounts, government identification, and sometimes minimum capital to begin. This ease of access makes crypto attractive in regions with underdeveloped financial systems today. Crypto also allows fractional investment with just a few dollars, while some stocks require more. Stock investing platforms are catching up with easier mobile apps, but crypto still leads in speed. Anyone can start trading tokens, instantly making crypto feel open and inclusive to new investors. This global reach expands crypto's user base quickly, but also introduces higher user inexperience. Stocks remain slower to access, but more structured once the account is created and verified properly. 8. Diversification is easier and safer in stocks than in most crypto portfolios. Stock investors can choose sectors, industries, and global regions for balanced, diversified exposure. Crypto portfolios often contain highly correlated assets that move together during price swings. Stocks include utilities, healthcare, technology, and more, while crypto lacks that structural balance. Diversifying in stocks reduces risk, while crypto diversification often fails during market crashes. Stock diversification has decades of academic research behind it, while crypto lacks such history. Portfolio safety improves with proper allocation, which is easier using traditional stock sectors. If protecting capital is your goal, stock diversification outperforms most crypto structures today. Crypto diversification is possible, but requires deep knowledge and careful risk management always. 9. Passive income options differ greatly between these asset classes. Stocks offer dividend income from established companies that pay regular quarterly or monthly returns. Crypto income can come from staking, lending, or yield farming, but carries technical and platform risks. Dividends are predictable and taxed differently, while crypto rewards vary and may vanish in downturns. Staking requires custody knowledge and sometimes locking funds, which reduces liquidity flexibility. Stock income is documented, regulated, and historically used in retirement planning worldwide today. Crypto income tools are still new and lack clear protection in case of technical or platform failure. If stable cash flow is your aim, stock dividends may offer less yield, but with stronger long-term trust. Crypto pays more short-term, but with added layers of complexity and smart contract dependencies. 10. Blending both assets could provide balanced opportunity in 2025. Many investors now use both assets, combining stock stability with crypto growth in one portfolio. A balanced approach uses dividend stocks for income and crypto for high-risk speculative growth. This strategy helps manage volatility while participating in innovation and new financial models. Stocks can support retirement plans, while crypto can offer exposure to emerging digital economies. Using separate risk allocations allows investors to stay calm and avoid panic in both asset classes. In 2025, diversification across traditional and digital assets is gaining popularity. Having both allows flexibility during market cycles and better preparation for uncertain futures. Choose your mix based on goals, age tolerance, and the kind of financial journey you want to build. Both crypto and stocks offer potential in 2025, but the best choice depends on your goals and risk level. If this guide helped you think differently about your investments, leave a like and subscribe for more insights into growing and protecting your money. Got a question or opinion? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and invest wisely.